everyone, it's John Galante, president of AE Ventures, here with another Builder Innovator International Builder Show interview with Chris Sherman.
Hi, John.
Who's one of the lead guys at Legrand and their whole builder program. Chris, we want to talk about the fascinating world of electrical wiring devices. You know, that sounds like kind of an oxymoron. However, this is a category that's very much like thermostats and keyless locks were 10 years ago. People are getting that electrical tech is important to the buyer and that there's a whole world of options and upgrades that can be presented to them. So why don't you talk to us about some of the new stuff that's cool, that buyers want, that adds convenience for them?
Yeah, I think I totally agree with what you're saying here. One of the things that we also have to keep in mind is electrical code and energy code changes are also added to that mix to make new products actually a necessary evil at this point.
Yeah.
So let's talk about.
I love a conversation about code.
Yeah.
Where we're gonna really light it up with the code conversation. Well, you can make it. Let's see if you can make code interesting.
Yeah. I'm not going to make it as interesting as it probably needs to be. Yeah. But here's the deal. Recently in the 2023 electrical code, they talk about, hey, you can no longer put an outlet on the side of your islands. Okay, so now it has to be in the top of the island. Okay, and we went to work as soon as we heard about the code. We started talking to builders. We started talking to the guys that are putting these things in, and we were able to develop a product that not only is easy to install, which is important, but it looks good, it's affordable, and it's safe. So you know, you can't get around that. That's a great product.
Code compliant.
Code compliant.
It's an exciting code compliant.
So I'm excited about it.
What do you call it?
It's countertop outlet.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, we're not very good with the sexy terms,
it's
but
CTO.
Yeah, CTO, countertop outlet. Yeah, it's a good thing. Hey, in addition to that, I'd love to tell you about USB. I think USB is a product that we all use.
Bring it on.
Every single day.
Give me
every
USB. I
single
can't
day.
get enough USB. Talk to me.
So Legrand came out with a 65-watt USB early last year, highest in the industry, highest power output.
So that'll power my Dell laptop computer.
Absolutely.
Where the lower voltage, I get bad messages and it says, you can't do this.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Not only is it going to power your computer, it's also going to power up your phone a lot faster than you normally think. So, you know, from 0 to about 80% in less than 45 minutes.
Yeah.
So that's a beautiful thing.
Cool.
Right? We like things that are fast, cool, and easy to use.
Yeah. What else is going on with wall switches and outlets? And I mean, what do you got cool new there? And it could be aesthetic stuff. It could be the feel of it, right?
The touch and the feel. Well, I would tell you, Adorn, we continue to make strides in our Adorn collection with new colors and new styles. One of the coolest things that we got coming up here in the next couple of months is we're making a Adorn wall plate that you can actually take a wood, a piece of wood and stain it and match your countertop or your cabinets. Okay. All right, so people are excited about that.
Where does the staining happen? At your
staining
factory?
Or it could happen at your factory. It could happen on the job site. If you got a cabinet guy out there, he can stain it right away.
Unfinished wood plate,
yes,
that can be custom stained.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
Talk to me more. I like it. Talk to me more about the design world. Talk to me about Legrand has always been a leader on this front in terms of enabling the design center to sell technology through. I remember the old days when Dave Hanchett put together the menus that had all the, you know, and it went into a design center. Like, so what sort of tool sets do you have for builders on the sell-through side?
Yeah, and I appreciate that. I think the important thing to understand is electrical can be as beautiful and as exciting as you want it to be. It doesn't have to be, oh, that's just another wall plate on the wall. So we recently and we're showing it in our booth at IBS here today, we recently released a new Adorn wall. It's basically a wall sample. It shows you all of the sampling of our covers, our wall outlets, and it doubles and it plugs in and it works just like any of our regular displays. So it makes it easy for you to show homeowners, hey, this is what's possible.
Yeah.
Allows them to dream again.
Yeah, and you guys are a design leader, right? Because and some of this is about your European parents
Yeah.
and all of that lineage, right? The French and the Italians, they're pretty gaga for design on the interior side of things. And that stuff has come through to the States as well,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
Yeah.
We're coming out with some new tools for design on the computer, so you
Okay.
can actually see and view the covers and what they would look like on your wall at home.
Yeah.
So that's a unique sampling that we'll have out here probably within the next month. We'll release that software onto the market. You'll be able to go right onto our website,
Yeah.
log in, and basically put together your home in Adorn the way you like it.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is we even allow you to match the paint colors on your wall. You can pop those right in there and take a look at it. So
Very
yes.
cool. Anything else we need to know about?
Hey, I would just tell you that again, it's as exciting as you can make it, right?
Yeah.
Electrical, it may be still just powering your switches and powering your equipment at home, but the beautiful thing is a lot's changing in that world.
Yeah, and you guys are on the forefront of it, and
Yeah.
you're very tuned to the needs and the processes of builders in order to get that sell-through piece in particular.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
appreciate your contributions to the builder innovator community, and keep on innovating with those electric wire devices.
Absolutely.
All
Thanks,
right.
John.
Thanks, Chris.